Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we saw how to create a maven project for our SpringCore application, right? That's how it looks like. So right now, we have to understand how to configure our application. So first of all, we need to fix the JDK version. We are using JDK 14, but now it is picking the default version of Java from this Eclipse version. So let's fix this by right-clicking on the project, then go for properties, then build path, and go for libraries. This 1.7, select and remove from here, then click on add external, sorry, not jars, add library, GRE system, next, and then alternate, or you can pick default as well. I'll go for alternate, install GREs, or let's do one thing. Let's pick from here. Let's remove this one. Remove. Let's add one more jar file, Java version. Directory. So go to C drive, program files, Java JDK 14. I'm going to pick select folder. There it is, and finish. Apply close, and finish. So now it's JDK 14. Great. Apply and apply close. So change the version JDK 14. Okay, that's done. What else? Let's check other things. So we have this test folder. I don't need this. So right click and delete the test files. Later maybe we might use it when we start a new series for test cases, but for now SpringCore not at all. Okay, let's open the POM file. So what we have here, some configurations and this build plugin. I don't need this as well. Let's remove. I'm just cleaning up the project structure so we can do from the clean slate. Okay, remove this, and of course we don't need changed version, so remove this as well. And maven source code, leave it. So our POM file is also clean, and we just need to let me do one thing. Let's change the font size. It's quite small for me, so add it. Let's make it 14. This as well, let's make it 14. Okay, apply close. Okay, much better. Opening this, so this has app.java, and we don't need this file as well. So let's go back, expand, remove this as well, delete the auto generator file, and let's rename the package because you can see it's against the Java convention. It has some capitals. So right click, refactor, rename, and let's call this Spring Core App. That's fine. We are keeping in the one word, Spring Core App, and that could be our root package. And that's fine. So test is empty. We have JRE system, target not required, and profile. So one more folder is left where we keep our configuration files. So right click, new. We have done this in Hibernate session as well. You guys can refer that. src slash main slash resources, typo resources. There should be no typo. It should be src main resources. So our maven project structure is ready. So when we created this application, let's expand this. So when we created this application, it was something else. We just changed and configured it as per requirement. So this is our end result. You can say after configuring. So this much you have to do so you can set up your application. Config after configuring the maven project. Still, this is just a maven project, right? We have not added any library or anything which says that we are using, what do you call that? Spring dependency or anything, any library. So it's just a maven project. We have to add some libraries. Only then this project becomes a Spring application. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will add some dependencies and everything we will do step by step so we can connect what's happening. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.